In this course we will be using Xcode. It's a really simple program which you can find for free on the Mac App Store. Once you downloaded and installed it, go ahead and start the app. Okay, so this is what you see. In these tutorials we will be using something called Playground. And as you can see, here it says get started with a playground. Let's click here. Let us just call the playground for my playground. Click next. And choose where you want to create it. Replace. Okay, so what we see now is 3 lines of code. The first line is green. It's a comment. Comments are very useful. When you're writing code, you're telling a computer what to do. With the comments, you as a human will know what is going on. The second line is import UI kit. You don't really need to know what this is right now. UI kit means user interface kit, and you will learn more about this later, so just keep it there for now. The third line says var str equals hello playground. Okay, so what does this mean? Var means that we're creating a variable. So every time you want to create a new variable, you type var. str is the name of the variable we just created, and we've assigned it a value hello playground. So if we want to create our own variable, we just type var, a name for the variable, and the value of the variable. What if we want to change the value of the variable? A variable is a piece of data stored in the memory. If we would like to change this, let's say we want our message to contain hello world. What we just did was that we changed the value of message to hello world. We didn't type the var word because we didn't declare a new variable. We just changed the old one. Okay, so what happens if we create a variable without the quotation marks, like this? We get an error. If we want to assign a variable with a string, now let's say we want to create another variable. So far we've only created strings. Let's say we want an integer. We can just do like this. It is really simple. What we can also do with integers is that we can add them. X plus y. What you can see on the right hand side is what is going on in your program, or what the variables mean. Like right here we can see that sum has the value of 16. Now, a variable doesn't have to be an integer or a string. It could also be a boolean, or bool as it is called in Swift. These types, as I've shown you right now, the strings, the integers, and the booleans, are 3 types you will use a lot while programming.